In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from an animated GIF in Canva while keeping the animation intact. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Then choose Video. Using a video canvas is important because it preserves animation. Next, go to the Uploads tab and upload your animated GIF file. Once it finishes uploading, drag it onto the video timeline. Canva will automatically treat the GIF as an animated clip. Now click on the GIF in the timeline so it's selected. At the top, click Edit Video. If you have Canva Pro, you'll see the background remover option. Click Background Remover and let Canva process the clip. It may take a few seconds depending on the GIF length. Canva will remove the background across the animated frames automatically. After it finishes, press play to preview and make sure the subject looks clean. If needed, use the erase or restore brush to fine-tune small areas. Once you are happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose GIF as the file type if you want to keep it as a GIF, or MP4 if you prefer video format. One important note: background removal for animated GIFs requires Canva Pro because the background remover tool is part of the Pro features. And that's it. That's how you remove the background from an animated GIF in Canva while keeping the animation smooth and ready to use in any design.